I always keep at least one of these in a beach bag, and it is the best. Highly, highly recommend it. This is the biggest game changer for going to the beach. We have my daughter's feet here with that black, dark sand, and this just wipes it right off. There's no crying, there's no struggle. And you could use a towel too, but it doesn't work the same way that this does.
No, a towel does not work. This really just takes it right off. A towel, it takes a lot of effort, but because of the powder in these pouches, it really just takes the sand and takes it right off your foot. See, look at this here. Rub it with my finger and it just kind of smears it. You take this and it rubs it right off. It just disappears. These things really make a huge difference, and your kids don't fight you. Your kids actually want to use this because it's so much fun.
I always keep at least one of these in my beach bag, and it's the best.
Everyone needs to have one of these to make sand removal enjoyable for the kids and enjoyable for the parents, because the kids won't fight you.